Alcoa will be reporting their earnings after the market close on Monday. So what will they deliver? Well, the expectations are definitely lower than last year, and that has a lot to do with aluminum prices. But Jim, this is a very well-managed company, so nobody's really looking at the management because everybody feels it's well managed. But to me, the key part of this earnings is what is their demand? Who is demanding their product and how much are they demanding?
We used to own fractional alerts and it became too frustrating. The reason is because we felt that what mattered was all these proprietary businesses, and that's the fasteners that they put in airplanes. That's the automotive business. Remember, aluminum's lighter than steel, so you want to cut down gas mileage.
Make the car lighter.
Yes, exactly right. The tremendous business that they have in commercial real estate, which has not been that good, by the way. The cans and bottles, which has been very good because of recycling, and then the a business that I like, which is the skin of the Apple iPad, which does matter. And none of these has moved the needle. What matters is the fact that they make ingot, and ingot is bad. What matters is currency has gone against them forever. And China, they're saying that it's not a glut that you have to worry about, but China should be importing its aluminum, not putting out those horrible smelters in terms of what the pollution. So Deb, what ends up happening is that you listen to Klaus Kleinfeld, the CEO, for what he talks about as end demand. What's China doing? Did China gap down? What is the worldwide growth forecast? But people just use it as a barometer for worldwide GDP and not about owning the stock. As a matter of fact, everyone's worried about the balance sheet, even though the cash flow has improved. So, I mean, it's kind of a Pyrrhic victory if they do a good number, and that everyone will just look through it and say it's not good enough.
And I think too, there's a lot of, to me, maybe misunderstanding that some people out there think that we look at Alcoa for the tone of the earnings season, and that's not really it.
No,
we look at it for, as you mentioned, the tone on Ford, the tone on Boeing, the tone on China, not JP Morgan's earnings later this week.
No, but it will not matter, because what will matter is the print, the number that we see, and what will matter is the fact that even though earnings have come down, it may not have been enough. So when you start off, if you start off the earnings season with an estimate cut, that is what defines things.
Okay, so ultimately, though, we're not expecting great things out of these numbers from Alcoa.
No, and Alcoa is an inexpensive stock, and will be an inexpensive stock tomorrow.
Right, so there you have it. Alcoa, cheap stock, but listen, that's not what we're looking at. We're looking at more of what they have to say with regards to everything else. That's Jim Cramer, and I'm Debra Borchardt with TheStreet.